Hello and welcome to my channel. I am today just going to do a eyeshadow tutorial. It's going to be a rather short video. I will run through what all I do use. It is mostly to just show the color placement that I used for a look from a while ago. So some of what I'm going to use is not going to be exact. I did look for the written down. I usually write down everything that I use, and I could not find that anywhere. I could find everything but that one. So I'm just gonna kind of try from memory and go from that. I am sorry. My voice is probably not the greatest, but I got myself sick somehow. So here we are. Either way, I'm gonna try my best to make this at least somewhat helpful. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so I primed my eyes with the Milani eyeshadow primer in 01 Nude. I'm just gonna use the Wet n Wild Color Icon Walking on Eggshells 5-pan palette for today's look. I'm gonna jump in the shade here. Might be good if we use proper eyeshadow part of the brush. So I'm just gonna put that right here, kind of in a triangle shape to the corner of my eye. Okay, so kind of like that, in like a wedge kind of shape. Now I'm gonna go into this shade here, just using an e.l.f. blending eye brush. Putting that all throughout the crease area. Kind of just like that. Pulling it out just slightly. Just gonna take my translucent powder on an e.l.f. crease brush. Just going above that shade I just put there, just to make that shade more seamless. I'm gonna go into this shimmer shade here. I am kind of covering over that matte with the shimmer. Kind of like the way that looked. Now I'm gonna go into this shade. Just kind of blending those together. Okay, so I'm going to finish my face and then I will show you how I finish the bottom lash line and wrap up the video. Okay, so I have finished my face and the other eye. I'm just going to run through quickly what I did use. For my foundation, I use the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator Tinted Skin Veil in Fair. For my concealer, I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Light Ivory. To set my face, I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I used the e.l.f. Simply Enchanted Face Palette in this shade and this shade for the blush, and this shade and this shade for the bronzer. For the lips, I used the Catrice Cosmetics Power Plumping Gel Lipstick in 030 Speak Up. Something I could work on, I'm sure. Oh, for my brows, I use the Essence Micro Precise Eyebrow Pencil in 02 Light Brown. To set my face, I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray. Let's finish the eye area. I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in 617 Iced Mocha. Okay, just gonna smudge that slightly. So for beneath the eye, I'm just gonna take this matte and this matte here, starting with the lighter shade. I'm putting that to the front portion of the eye. Just like that. And then I'm connecting them right here at the outer corner. And then I'm taking the lighter shade and I'm just gonna blend beneath that so there's no harsh line, hopefully. And doing the same on this eye. Okay, so I'm going to add mascara and then I will be back. So I forgot to mention I used the Essence Hello Good Stuff Pore Minimizing Serum. That is as my base for my makeup today. I also used the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Crown of My Canopy. I kind of use that to kind of top the blush and make it a little more shimmery, I think would be a good word. So I'm just gonna put the light shade here, which I also used as a highlighter throughout my face, over what I did just in the inner corner, and bringing that up. I also used that in the brow bone as well. Okay, so that is the finished look created with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Walking on Eggshells palette. I think this is similar to what I may have done. The lip, I'm not too sure. And the blush, I'm not too sure either. But this is the eye look that I think I did. I just kind of mixed all of the colors together, basically. So this is my finished look. And I hope that you find this helpful. I thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Okay, bye.